Welcome back to Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. My name is Amanda and today we're going to be making crock-pot chicken noodle soup. Our Facebook followers were looking for crock-pot recipes, family-friendly recipes, and I think this will check both of those boxes. The last time I used my crock-pot was probably on this show a couple years ago when we made loaded baked potato soup. So I busted it out again for this recipe. I always want to learn crock pot recipes, but I never get around to it. So this was a great excuse. So right now we have 1.5 pounds of chicken breast sitting in our crock pot, and we just have salt and pepper to taste rubbed on those. Next, we're gonna add the 8 cups of chicken stock that I have sitting here. We're then gonna add 4 cloves of minced garlic. I added an extra one just for some extra flavor. Then we're gonna add 1 onion diced. We have 3 carrots and 3 celery stalks diced and in here as well. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/2 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Then we're gonna put in a couple bay leaves. And then we're just gonna cover this and let it cook for 6 to 8 hours. And then we're gonna pull it out and we're going to grab the chicken out of this. We're gonna break it all up, put it back in, and then we're gonna add some pasta noodles as well at that time, and we're gonna let that cook for another 30 minutes. So we're gonna put this on low right now for 6 to 8 hours, and then we're gonna come back and finish off with the other steps. All right, so our soup has been on for 6.5 hours, and we're at the stage where we pulled the chicken out. We're gonna pull it apart with a fork. I was worried that it was gonna be hard, but as you can see, the chicken has already sort of started to fall apart. So you're literally just gonna shred it up and make sure it's in kind of bite-sized pieces for your soup. And once I'm done this, I'm also gonna grab 224 grams of pasta. I've chosen the no yolks. I love these for soup. I'm gonna throw that in. I'm gonna throw the chicken back in, and then we're gonna put it on for another 30 to 45 minutes, just until the noodles are just cooked. And then we'll come back and I'll show you. We're gonna put a little bit of lemon in and a little bit of parsley, and our soup will be ready to go. All right, so our soup has cooked for another 30 minutes. It looks fantastic. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna add the juice of a lemon and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. That's it. That's all. Your soup is done. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any questions about the recipe or ideas for upcoming shows, please leave them in the comments below. We will see you soon.